Disputing credit report errors is an important skill for maintaining your financial health. Mistakes on your credit report can impact your credit score and your ability to borrow money, so knowing how to challenge and correct inaccurate information is essential. A credit report error can be incorrect personal details like your name or address, wrong account statuses, duplicate or outdated entries, or accounts that do not belong to you. These errors matter because they can unfairly lower your credit score, cause higher interest rates, and even affect your chances of loan approval. Correcting these mistakes improves your financial standing. The first step is to get a copy of your credit report from the 3 major credit bureaus: Equifax, Experian, and TransUnion. Reviewing each report carefully helps you spot any errors before you begin the dispute process. After obtaining your reports, highlight any incorrect information clearly. Gather documents that support your claim, such as bank statements or identification. Take screenshots or print the sections with errors and make notes of important dates and details to keep a thorough record. Write a dispute letter that is polite and precise. Include your full name, address, and details about the error. Clearly state the issue and request that it be corrected. Attach any supporting documents and keep your letter concise and professional. Send your dispute to the credit bureau either by certified mail or through their online dispute portal. Always include copies of your supporting documents, not the originals. Keep a copy of your dispute and any mailing receipts, and note the date you submitted your dispute to track progress. The credit bureau usually investigates and responds within 30 days. Carefully review their findings once they reply. If the issue remains unresolved, you have the option to escalate your dispute or add a personal statement to your credit report explaining the ongoing concern. Disputing credit report errors requires patience and careful attention to detail. Staying organized and persistent helps protect your financial health and credit standing. Continue learning about credit basics to strengthen your financial knowledge and management skills.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.